All right, let's see what happens. We are at Macy's in DC, the former Hex department store. This thing's been modded. Let's see if we can actually get a
Going up. Floor.
I can't believe we came up here
Going down.
unbothered. As you can see, this one was modernized, probably done as cheap as can be. As you can see, the cab is still completely original. Schindler clearly did the mod. I mean, it's painfully obvious that they did the mod. Yeah, I mean, it used to be a Westinghouse. Yeah, only one in this entire 5-floor store, and it's very slow. So I can just tell Macy's doesn't care about this store very much, and I'm quite surprised they haven't closed it yet. I believe these are actually MAD buttons. If you're not aware, MAD is its own company. ThyssenKrupp just buys their fixtures from them. Did chime down here, so somebody might be coming in.